Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the topic growth of revenue, solving 5 major problems of cloud hosting customers. Cloud hosting has become the go solution for business of all sizes. It offers a number of benefits such as scalability, flexibility and cost savings. Introductions. However, cloud hosting can be complex and challenging for some businesses. This video will discuss the 5 major problems of cloud hosting customers and how you can solve them to grow your revenue. Problem number 1: complexity of managing your infrastructure. Managing cloud infrastructure can be complex and time consuming. This is especially true for businesses that do not have the in-house expertise to manage cloud infrastructure. Solution: you can offer managed cloud hosting servers to your customer. This will take the burden of managing cloud infrastructure off your customers' shoulders, allow them to focus on their core businesses. Problem 2: cost management. It can be difficult for businesses to manage their cloud cost. This is because cloud cost can vary depending on users and other factors. Solution: you can offer cloud storage management tool services to your customer. These tools and services can help your customer to track their cloud cost and identify areas where they can save money. Problem number 3: security. Security is a major concern for all businesses. It is especially important for a business that are using cloud hosting. Cloud hosting can be vulnerable to a variety of security threats such as data breaches, tracking tracker attacks. Solution: you can offer a cloud security solution to your customer. This solution can help you to customer to protect their data and application from security threats. In problem 4: compliance. Many businesses are subject to compliance regulations such as HIPAA and PCI and DSS. This regulation requires business to protect their data in a specific way. Solution: you can offer cloud compliance solution to your customers. This solution can help your customer to comply with their industry regulations. And lack of expertise. Many businesses do not have the in-house expertise to use cloud hosting effectively. This can lead to problems such as performance issues, security vulnerabilities, and cost overrun. Solution: you can offer cloud consulting support services to your customer. These services can help your customer to use cloud hosting effectively and avoid common problems. In conclusions, by solving the 5 major problems of cloud hosting customer, you can grow your revenue and become a more valuable partner to your customers. So that's all I have. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching for this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Bye bye everyone.